half of the way is already completed. That means half the way is still pending. And this is not the time to take a pause. This is the time to step forward and finish stronger whatever you have already started. So, yes, Vanakkam, Namaskaram, Namaste, and hello everyone. Welcome to BCCA. Most of you already know me that this is CMA Parvati, your mentor for cost and management audit. And by looking into this screen itself, you would have known that this is a video about the details of Group 4 recorded classes for December 2025 examination. Yes, I'm going to talk about that. But before that, I'm here to address something. I'm here to give clarity to many of those students because you are not doing right. Because, yes, exams are completed and many of you students might have given your group 3 exams or group 4 exams and waiting for your results. Yes, am I right? But now, let me ask you honestly. Will you wait till the last day of your results to decide what will be your next step? Is that the right thing to do? Absolutely not. Here is why. If you are thinking that you have given your best performance in your examination, or at least you're thinking that you have given your 100% whatever you could have given, and if you're manifesting and hoping that whatever you have done as a hard work will pay off in your result, or else if you're very confident that you'll clear your examination, then what are you waiting for? Why are you wasting your time? Don't waste your time. Start preparing for the next level right now. As of today, we are already in June month. And for December 2025 examination, it's only 5 months left. July, August, September, October, and November. That's it. That's all you have got in your hands. And let's be real. Out of this 5 months, many of you will waste one whole month waiting for the results. And then after results, another few weeks will just pass on like that. Few weeks will go on in the overthinking. If the results are positive, then that's fine. You'll go on celebrating. If it's not, if the results are negative, you'll be stressed, you'll be worried, you'll be demotivated, depressed, overthinking about what if that, what if this. In both these cases, you are losing your precious time, and time lost in these kind of professional courses like CMA is very hard to recover. So here I am to tell you to think smart. If you're confident that you will clear whatever you have given your examination, then start your preparation for the next group. If you're thinking that you have not given your examination properly, then go on preparing for that group itself. Take up your next step. Don't waste your time. So, those students who have given your group 3 examination and thinking that you'll pass the examination, start your group 4 preparation now itself for CMA final. And if you have given your group 4 examination and you feel doubtful that you haven't got the enough conceptual clarity, or if you think that you haven't given your exam best, then again restart your group 4 preparation now itself. Don't wait for the results. Result might shock you or might surprise you. Be prepared for the either way. Now, this is the biggest problem which many of you students have. So here I am with a good and neat solution for this problem, which is nothing but Group 4 recorded classes for December 2025 examination. So I'm here to tell you what all we are providing and what you have to do it, and you will be the one who are going to take the decision. So yes, in this video, I'm going to give you the entire details of CMA Final Group 4 recorded classes for December 2025 examination. And let's get started. Now, what are the features of this particular batch or this particular classes? You already know that these are for the students who are appearing for December 2025 examinations. And don't think that these are outdated recordings or recordings which are done in ancient periods. No. These are the recent recordings of June 2025. So in that, whatever updates are there, amendments are there, each and everything is covered. And further, if there are any amendments, then if anything which is relevant for the upcoming December 2025 examination, concerned faculties will record a video and that video will also be uploaded in your course. So you need not worry about that. You can be rest assured for that reason. And next, 100% syllabus coverage will be there. Guaranteed conceptual clarity. We have told n number of times that not other classes like fast track classes, marathon classes, whatever it could be, it can't replace the regular classes, because whatever the conceptual clarity which you are getting in regular classes is immense conceptual clarity that you will get through these classes. And if you are just relying on the concepts, that's not the right thing. You need to know what kind of questions will be tested and how you have to write the answers. That are also covered in this recorded classes. All the questions from ICMAI material, past term paper, mock question papers, each and everything is explained clear cut away in these recorded classes. So these are the key features of these classes. And these classes are available in two different modes. One is Telugu plus English language, English mix, and next is 100% English. If you know Telugu, then you can opt for Telugu plus English mixed languages. If you doesn't know Telugu, then you can opt for 100% English language. And we have used normal day-to-day English. We haven't used any complicated English language. So you can buy these classes. Next, duration of these classes. Not even a single class is taken for 150 hours, 200 hours, 250 hours. No. We have taken into consideration each and every student who will be preparing CMA examination, and these are only the hours which you will be able to allocate for listening to the classes. So yes, for paper 17 cost and management audit 70 hours, for paper 18 CFR 120 hours, for paper number 19 IDT 130 hours, and for paper number 20 SPM and BV 80 hours. These are the only durations for all the classes. And entirely group 4 is completed in 400 hours. And the main question after listening to this, ma'am, are these hours enough for the preparation? You are telling that you have completed the syllabus in less hours. Does that mean you have skipped the concepts? No. 100% syllabus is covered. Whatever you have to prepare for the examination, each and everything is covered in these hours itself. And these many hours, if you are allocating, then that's more than enough for your preparation. You can complete your classes aramse. And after that, you can give your time for your preparation, presentation skills, everything. These classes are more than enough for the examination. So this is about the duration. And then if you are purchasing these classes, then you will be getting books in 3 different kinds. One is concept book, workbook, and handwritten notes. Handwritten notes is only allocated for cost and management audit and IDT. For the other 2 subjects of CFR and SPMBV, you'll receive concept book and workbook. And you already know among all the students all over the India, BCCA books are very famous. I'm not going to talk separately about the books because you have already experienced how books are very much effective and efficient for the preparation. If you doesn't know about it, then go and ask your seniors and know about it. And next, these classes are useful for first-time listeners, repeaters, working professionals, married, full-time college student, whoever you might be, whatever your situation might be. These classes are relevant for you. You can watch at any time which you think. In your free time, in your free hours, you can watch these classes and complete your preparation. So yes, and most importantly, at this point of time, why we are bringing these particular class details video is that BCCA anniversary sale is going on, and in this period, we have bought a special offer, which is 30% discount on all our courses. So yes, this offer period is only valid till June 30th. Take a wise decision and decide properly, think smart, and purchase these classes in this 30% discount period. so that you'll save your money, you will be smart, you'll prepare for the next term also. So yes, that's it. I have given you everything and it's your time to take the wise and smart decision, because you are not an ordinary person. You are a future professional. So yes, thank you everyone. For further inquiries and registrations, you can contact to the given number in the video. In the screen, you can contact those numbers. So yes, I've given you all the details and I'm signing off. Thank you.